22nd July 2020. Welcome to another episode of Audio News, a new initiative taken by We4U to provide news in audio format for visually impaired. So let's begin. SpaceX has successfully launched South Korea's first military satellite, Anasis 2. The satellite was deployed into a geostationary transfer orbit (GTO) by a Falcon 9 rocket. It was launched from the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in the US of Florida. With this launch, South Korea has become the 10th country to own a military-only communication satellite which will provide permanent and secured military communications. Next. Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) has provided drones named Bharat to the Indian Army. The indigenously developed drones are sent in order to provide accurate surveillance along the line of actual control in high altitude and mountainous terrains of eastern Ladakh. Next. The COVID Protection System (COPS) for workplace has been unveiled by the CSIR Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, Durgapur. The COPS for workplace comprises of three units, namely contactless, solar-based intelligent mask, automated dispensing unit, cum thermal scanner, IntelliMAST, touchless faucet (TOUF) and 360-degree car flusher. Next. India and Maldives have signed an agreement for the establishment of emergency medical services in Malé, Maldives. The emergency medical services is financed by India under grant assistance of 20 million USD for neighboring countries. This will help to increase the collaboration between the countries, especially in the areas of healthcare facilities, disaster responses during critical times, etc. Next. Punjab National Bank has launched a nationwide campaign to distribute face masks and sanitizers to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The Punjab National Bank's campaign was launched by the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Harshvardhan. This campaign has been launched by PNB under the Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR). Next. The Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) has signed an Memorandum of Understanding with the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs (CBIC) to facilitate smoother bilateral exchange of data. According to the Memorandum of Understanding, both the organizations will share data and information with each other on an automatic and regular basis. They will also share any information available in their respective databases which may be useful for the other organization. Next. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 has been implemented in India since 20th July 2020. It has replaced Customer Protection Act 1986. The new act has been introduced to offer protection to buyers from traditional sellers as well as from the new e-commerce retailers or platforms. It will protect the consumer rights through its various notified rules and provisions and will empower consumers and hence help them in protecting their rights. Next. On July 21, 2020, India began its trial transshipment of goods from India to the northeast through the Chittagong port of Bangladesh. Next. On July 22, 2020, PM Modi congratulated Kakrapur Atomic Plant of Gujarat to reach its criticality. Criticality is reaching normal operating condition. Next. The Japanese government recently approved dexamethasone as a second treatment for COVID-19. The approval came in after Britain showed that the drug reduced death rates in COVID-19 patients. Let's have a look at some facts for today. Today, 22nd July, is National Flag Adoption Day. The national flag of India was adopted in its present form during the meeting of Constituent Assembly held on 22nd July 1947, a few days before India's independence from the British on 15 August 1947. Let's learn something about the continent North America. It is the third largest continent of the world and comprises of 24 countries. It completely lies in the northern hemisphere. North America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. Mississippi is the longest river in North America and the fourth longest in the world. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Greenland is the biggest island of the world which is lying closer to North America. The highest point is Mount McKinley in the Alaska Range, while the lowest point is Death Valley in California. Niagara Falls is the highest waterfall in North America. North America is the home to 5 Great Lakes of the world. They are Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, and Superior. The major mountain ranges of North America are Alaska, Appalachians, Rockies, Brooks, Coast Range, and Cascade Range. So, with this, we will conclude our today's episode. Thank you all.